Benny the Banana's Wobbly Adventure. Meet Benny the Banana. He's a bright yellow banana with a tiny problem: he's always slipping.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Oops, I did it again!
Benny loved bouncing, but he often ended up in sticky situations. One sunny morning, Benny wanted to join the fruit parade, but the hill was too steep.
How will I make it to the top? I'm too wobbly!
Just then, his friends appeared: Gina the Grape, Oliver the Orange, and Penny the Pineapple.
Ha ha ha! Don't worry, Benny. We can help each other.
The friends formed a fruit stack to reach the top.
Step on my head carefully. Uh-oh, I slipped again.
Oops! But Benny learned something important. Teamwork makes tricky hills easier to climb.
Let's all hold hands. Together we can do it.
Step by step, fruit by fruit, they reached the top. Benny was wobbly, but he was never alone.
Yay! I made it! Thanks, friends!
And from that day on, Benny learned that a little help from friends makes every adventure much sweeter. The fruits slide down the hill laughing, confetti everywhere, Benny spinning in a funny wobble. Remember, kids, sharing, helping, and teamwork can turn any slippery situation into a fun adventure.